What's up, Pyros? Coming soon to Pyros near you. The new, improved Pyro race car. Dun dun dun. We have the Phantom TNT rocket car. Will it roll? Will it be successful? Ooh, look at that easy roll. I loosened up the screws. Put a little bit of WD-40 in it. Yeah, right. Probably catch on fire if I did that. But I might have to test this baby out tonight. And out of the Red Devil, I took out the stars and shit. So it's just a rocket. It's not gonna fucking shoot shit out. But the little pearls, I left those in because they're small and it's not gonna be too dangerous. But comments, leave them. What do you think's gonna happen? Do you think it's gonna roll? Do you think it's gonna take off? Do you think one side's gonna be stronger than the other? Now these are 2-ounce rockets on the side, and that's an 8-ounce rocket, or sorry, 6-ounce or 8-ounce rocket on the top. Now with these, I've had bad things happen. So far, out of 6 rockets, only 2 have worked. Out of the other 6, or out of the ones that did work, or they went up in there and worked functionally. The ones that didn't work, they were like sticks of frickin' quarter sticks. Boom! Just straight booms. Could not believe it. Louder than most of my firecrackers. Could not believe it. Well, your normal firecrackers, I mean. Not like my European shit, but you guys know what I'm talking about. So what's gonna happen tonight? Is it gonna take off? Is it gonna fucking really burn some rubber and go? Or is it just gonna go in a circle? Is it gonna tip over and do nothing? Let's hear what you guys have to say. Let's see who's gonna be correct.